Hello, I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational speaker and author. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about table tennis, Urdu and English language, shero-shairi and motivational topics. I would rather be me than someone else. My immune system is perfect. I am amazing. I am fabulous. I am magnificent. I love and respect myself. I feel better about myself every day. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. All is well. I am grateful that I attract wonderful people in my life who support me in all possible terms. I deserve love and I receive love in abundance. I feel better. My relationship gets better and better every day. I communicate honestly, directly, and compassionately with everybody. I share harmonious relationship with my family, friends, and neighbors. I am surrounded by people who are eager to contribute to my abundance. I love those around me. I attract healthy, loving relationship. I am grateful that I attract wonderful people in my life who support me in all possible ways. I love and respect myself. I am lovable. I am balanced. I am honest. I am unique. I am awesome. I am complete. That I am able to experience personal abundance in every area of my life. Money is an important part of my life and it is always with me. I am very clear about what I want in my life and I easily achieve it. New ideas and opportunities are coming to me now. My potential to succeed is infinite. I am accomplishing my goals I am accomplishing my goals. I am a confident winner. I am open and receptive to all wealth life offers me. Today is filled with opportunities and I welcome it. Money comes to me easily, endlessly, and copiously. I feel good about money and invest it wisely. Being healthy and wealthy gives me joy, happiness, and peace of mind. I am focused, I am generous, I am independent, I am worthy, I am wealthy, I am blessed beyond my comprehension. When you look at the etymological root of affirmation, affirmation comes from Latin noun, which means to strengthen, to fortify. Repeating affirmation is a great way to start the day. Start your day with motivational positive affirmations. If you repeat affirmation with a focused mind and focused awareness in the meditative state, our subconscious takes over and these affirmations become part of our life. I am alive, enthusiastic, alert, and active. All is well. Everything is unfolding as it should. Attention here and now. Be here and be present in this moment. I feel good when I get compliments. I can handle criticism easily and comfortably. Day by day, in every way, through the grace of God, I am getting better and better. Thank you. Here are a few of my favorite affirmations. You can coin a few of your own affirmations which suit your requirement. God is always a good God. God is always with us to help and guide us. Thank you, God, for waking me alive, active, and joyful. I am making the best of this day. For every ailment under the sun, there is a remedy or there is none. If there is one, try to find it. And if there is none, do not mind it. I always get what I want. I am in the process of getting whatever I want. God is always with us to help and guide us. He never leaves us alone. Thank you, God. You have given me so many blessings. Thank you, God. You have kept me free from so many problems. I live with grace, ease, and lightness. I live in a free flow mode with an effortless ease. Here is one more technique that will help you pick yourself up. It's called the happiness alphabet. Simply recite the alphabet and for each letter say a positive word. For example, A is for awesome, B is for brilliant, C is for creative, and so forth. By the time you reach Z, it's for zealous. I am healthy and my health is getting better and better every day. Thank you for watching my this and other videos. If you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond.